Hi, it's Dr. G. The mobility method giveaway has already ended, but the fact that you landed on this page tells me that you're interested in either getting out of pain or improving your performance through mobility. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside the program so you can have a sneak peek of what the mobility method is all about, and I'm also going to show you how to get some unannounced free bonuses. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes right now. All right, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the mobility method so that you can see what is inside the members area before you purchase it. And I'm also going to make sure that you get unannounced free bonuses when you purchase this program. So first things first, we're going to look at the left-hand side. You're going to have the menu here on the left side, and on the right side over here, you have the ability to see videos or text. So for example, if I click on Facebook community over here and click to join the private Facebook group, then you'll be able to see there that we have a link to the private Facebook group. And right now there's over 1,000 people in that group. If we scroll down a little bit, if I click on Welcome to the Mobility Method, here's a video where DocJen will show up and introduce the mobility method and walk you through a self-assessment so that you know exactly what are your restrictions and where you should be focusing. Now, as I continue to scroll down here, we have different videos for the hip, the back, the shoulder, the neck, ankle, wrists, and toes. She also goes into foam rolling, the art of breathing, headache relief, general low back mobility, general shoulder mobility, general knee mobility, and plantar fascia, and then different mobility routine examples. So these are all videos that she walks you through all these different restrictions and exercises that you should be working on, spending anywhere from 10 minutes a day. And as little as 10 minutes a day, she will show you how to improve your mobility, your range of motion, so that you can perform better, prevent injuries, and also get out of pain if you're in pain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the unannounced bonuses that I'm giving to people that click my link below this video or go to painfreeinstitute.net/mobility bonuses, and it'll take you directly to the page where you can purchase the mobility method. And once you do purchase it, you'll get my bonuses, but you have to make sure that you email me the receipt that you purchase the mobility method through the link below this video, and then I can send you the free bonuses. Now I'm going to show you the bonuses right now. In addition to the mobility method, I'm going to give you some free bonuses, which are courses and programs that are online that I charge people on a daily basis for. But if you click the link below this video, I'm going to give these to you for free so that you can go ahead and not only improve your mobility, but also fix other problems in your body. And these are protocols that I use every single day in my clinic that you're going to get to see exactly what I do. I'm going to show you videos that walk you through different protocols, exercises that are going to help you to get out of pain. So the first one I'm going to give you is the elbow pain fix. Normally I charge $57 for this program, but today you're going to get it for free if you click the link below. The next one I'm going to give you is also the shoulder pain fix. Again, this is going to help you to get out of pain if you're suffering from a lot of shoulder problems. And I normally charge $57 for this program, but I'm going to give it to you for free as well. And the other one is for knee pain and patellar tendonitis or jumper's knee. And I normally charge $57 for this program, but again, I'm going to give this to you for free. Now I'm also going to throw in Sleep Your Way to Recovery, where I show you exactly how to sleep, the best positions, so that you can sleep better and recover faster. Normally I charge $37, but you're going to get it for free. I'm also going to throw in 31 days of fat burning workouts, where you're going to learn how to work out from your home with your own body weight so that you maximize fat loss. Again, $37 for that program, you're going to get it for free. I'm also going to give you Eat Your Way to Recovery, which shows you how to eat correctly, what foods to eat to reduce pain and inflammation. And I'm going to give you Eliminate Pain, the expert's guide to heal your neck and back and without drugs or surgery. I normally charge $47 for that. You're going to get it for free. So you're going to get all these programs, which added together have a value of $329, and you're going to get them for free when you click the link below this video and purchase the mobility method. But remember, you have to click the link below, or you can go straight to painfreeinstitute.net/mobility bonuses. And when you purchase the program, the mobility method, send me a receipt to my email, which is info@painfreeinstitute.net. and then I can send you these for free once you click the link below and make your purchase. So I hope the information in this video was helpful for you. I hope it gave you a sneak peek into the mobility method, and you're going to get not only the mobility method but also all these bonuses with a value of $329.